Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please can you do so now for you to receive notifications for my videos. Our topic today is expansion of bracket. Let's start with the easy ones. Basically, you have this in the bracket and the hex is outside. What we have to do is we will be multiplying the one outside, which is x, with 2x plus y, such that I'm going to multiply x by 2x first, and then I will multiply x by plus y next. X multiplied by 2x will give me 2x squared, and x multiplied by plus y will give me plus xy. One thing I would like you to note is the sign, the plus sign and the minus sign in your question, because if you do not take note of the sign, it is likely that you're going to get your answer wrong. Let's do the next one. M multiplied by m and m multiplied by plus 2n. M times m will give me m squared. M times 2n will give me plus 2mn. Question number 3. 2x multiplied by x would give me 2x squared. And I'm going to do 2x multiplied by 3y, and that will give me plus 6xy. Remember I said we have to take notes of our plus sign and our minus sign. Here is an example. Minus 3x multiplied by x, that will give me minus 3x squared. Again, minus 3x multiplied by minus y. I'm going to have minus times minus is plus 3xy. So I am going to collect like terms. Remember your like terms. If you do not remember your like terms, please go back on my videos where I did algebra, where we have to collect like terms. 2x minus 3x, these are my like terms. 2x squared minus 3x squared, that will give me minus x squared. Then I have plus 6xy plus 3xy, and that will give me plus 9xy. Let's move on to expansion of two brackets, where we have two brackets. What we have to do is similar to our easy examples. We are going to multiply all of this by all of this. How do we do that? What I have to do is I'm going to multiply 2x by x plus 3, and then I'm going to multiply minus 3 by x plus 3. Let's split it. So I'm going to have 2x bracket x plus 3. Then I'm going to do minus 3. Let me use a different pen, different colored pen. X plus 3. So remember to take note of your sign. We do the same thing we did with our previous examples. 2x squared plus 6x, and I'm going to do minus 3 multiplied by x, minus 3x, then minus 3 multiplied by plus 3. Do not forget your sign is minus 9, because minus times plus is minus. Remember, collect like terms, but we don't have much to collect except this. So my final answer is 2x squared plus 6 minus 3. That will give me plus 3x minus 9. That is my answer. Question number 2 is the same method. I'm not going to use different pen this time. I'm just going to use the blue pen. X minus a x minus a. We multiply them together. X times x, x squared. X times minus a minus a x. Minus a times x minus a x. Minus a times minus a will give me plus a squared. Collecting like terms here, I'm going to have x squared minus 2ax plus a squared. We can actually move on to expanding cubics. It is the same thing, but this time around we are going to be multiplying 3 brackets. What we have to do is we will need to start by expanding one pair of brackets. So you can decide to expand this and this, this and this, this. It doesn't matter how you expand. Just decide, how do I want to expand? I'm going to expand one pair of brackets. I have decided to expand this one first. So I'm going to do the same thing that we normally do. X plus 2 minus 1, x plus 2. Such that I have x squared plus 2x minus x minus 2. So that I'm going to have x squared plus x minus 2. Remember, we have x minus 3 here. So I'll be using my answer to multiply the third one. So I'm going to do x. It is easier if you multiply, if you use the small one to multiply the big one. X squared plus x minus 2 minus 3 s squared plus x minus 2. So I'm going to multiply them out. X squared plus, this is x cubed, because x squared times x is x cubed, plus x squared minus 2x. I'm going to multiply the second part. Minus 3x squared minus 3x plus 6. Did you remember how we did it? This is x cubed. Then I'm going to multiply this and I get x squared, and I'm going to multiply and then I get minus 2x. Now I'm going to collect my like terms. X cubed is here. Where do I have? I have my x squared here and I have another x squared here. X squared minus 3x squared will give me minus 2x squared. I have another like terms, and that would be minus 2x minus 3x, and that will give me minus 5x. Minus 5x plus 6. This is my answer. Let's do one more example. Another example I have for you is 2a plus 1 in bracket, another bracket, a minus 1, close bracket, another bracket, a minus 2. Remember I said we need to choose one pair of brackets to do. So I am going to be choosing this one first to do, such that I'm going to have a minus 2 minus 1, a minus 2. I'm going to multiply them out. A squared minus 2a minus a plus 2. Then I have a squared minus 3a plus 2. Because minus 2a minus a is equal to minus 3a. Remember, I have this bracket to do. So I'm going to multiply 2a by all of this. That will give me a squared minus 3a plus 2. Then I'm going to multiply plus 1 by a squared minus 3a plus 2. I'll multiply them out. 2a squared, 2a times a squared will give me 2a cubed minus 2a multiplied by minus 3a, 6a squared. 2a multiplied by 2 plus 4a. Then I'm going to multiply this out. Plus a squared minus 3a plus 2. Then let's tidy them up. 2a cubed. Remember, this and this minus 6a squared plus a squared. That will give me minus 5a squared. Minus 3a plus 4a plus a plus 2. That is my answer. I hope you have enjoyed this topic, and please don't forget to click subscribe for you to receive notification for my videos. Our next topic would be expansion by grid method. Watch out for that. Thank you.